In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit an individual shift. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have selected a location, then click Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, select the one you would like to work with. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. You should now arrive at a list of your shifts. To edit an individual shift, click on that shift. Then a menu will pop up, and you can edit all of the details for that shift. I could change the date if I wanted by clicking on this calendar icon. And let's say I actually want this to be the previous week. Then I could change the time. Maybe I want this to start a little bit earlier. I could also adjust the break. It could be, instead of a half-hour break, maybe a 15-minute break. Then I could change the station. I can click on this arrow and select a different station for this employee to work. I could also change the shift group or add it if it hasn't already been added by clicking on this arrow and choosing a shift group. I'm going to leave this blank. I can also change the note. Maybe I'll say change time. If I like these changes, I can hit save. If I don't, I could exit out of this and hit close. The other things I can do from here are I can choose to delete this shift by clicking that delete button, and I can choose to inactivate this shift. If I click on inactivate, another menu will pop up asking me why. I will click this arrow and then select from this menu why this shift didn't occur or didn't go for the full shift length. Maybe I'll put something like, we had inclement weather and sent people home early. If I don't like this, I can hit close. If I do, I will hit submit. That shift has turned gray, letting me know it has been inactivated. If I want to reactivate it, I can click on that shift again and choose activate. TeamWork 5 is going to ask if I do want to do this. If I don't, I'll hit cancel. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And now that shift has been reactivated. To exit out of this menu, hit close. And that's how you can edit an individual shift in your schedule. To learn how to reassign a shift or split it, check out the next video.